How to handle a person who won't shut up. There are ways where a person can be shut without showing anger. For today's video, I'm going to share 29 polite ways to shut a person without offending them. But firstly, give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. 1. When the person who irritates you starts talking, look away and ignore him. 2. Pretend as though that person is not present there, and if needed, catch up another person and talk to him. 3. If the person asks you why you are ignoring him, simply don't answer his question. 4. Keep avoiding the person as long as possible until the person gets the message or understands and stops talking to you. 5. Avoid smiling at their jokes also. 6. Make excuses that you have to go somewhere else or meet someone. 7. Tell him directly to shut up. 8. Be serious while conveying this and do not show him that you are joking. 9. Tell him you are least bothered and do not care about what he is saying. 10. Simply walk away from him. 11. Stare at him. 12. With a completely blank facial expression, focus on a spot between his eyes and he'll surely look away and leave you alone. 13. Give visual signals by keeping on working. 14. Use headphones to give a visual signal that you are trying to concentrate. 15. Excuse yourself. 16. Suggest finding another time, like lunch or drinks after hours, that will work for the both of you. 17. Listen with one ear without fully engaging and offer little feedback or one-word answers. 18. Distractedly look at somewhere or anything you have in your hand. 19. Pull in another person to join you if possible. 20. Introduce the topic to the new person, and once they get a conversation going, politely excuse yourself and don't look back. 21. Blame a pressing engagement, such as a promised phone call or a scheduled appointment. 22. Set time limits to your conversations. 23. Ask open-ended questions to draw out more. 24. Engage enthusiastically by telling them what you've heard them saying, inquiring about what's not yet been said, and making eye contact. Here are a few things you can ask. What ultimately happened? Given what you've said, what conclusion are you drawing? What are the action items for me, us, based on what you've said? So, what do you recommend we do? 25. Wait until a person takes a breath, and interrupt then if you have to. 26. Emphasize that you understand their points. 27. Let them know that you need to focus on whatever it is that you were doing before they came along. 28. End the conversation as smoothly as possible with concise sentences instead of unnecessary explanations. 29. Find a pause and gently and politely ask, should we move on? Things to remember. 1. You cannot shut up a person unless you are serious. 2. Do not try the above steps on a very emotional person. 3. If you are bound to feel guilty later on, do not try this. 4. Make sure not to offend the person while shutting him up. 5. Never request a person to be quiet. 6. Do not let the person know that he talks too much, else he may never talk to you in future. 7. The above procedure will not work on people who do not care or notice when ignored.